Today I'm going to show you one of many ways to use a hair donut. I have already curled my model's hair using a flat iron. Just curling the ends of the hair, it doesn't need to be particularly neat or take too long, it's just a quick curl on the ends so that the hair is much easier to wrap. I'm spraying hairspray at the root of the hair and back combing using a tail comb, just along the front of the hair, just so it gives it some stability around the front and some volume. I've used bobby pins to pin the front of the hair into place. That's the most important part, is the front. And then I'm using bobby pins once again to actually pin in the hair donut rather than tying it around a ponytail. I'm now taking chunks of hair, back combing it so it's easier to mold, giving it a lot of hairspray, and then actually wrapping it and pinning it around the bun. Finish off with some firm hold hairspray, and this is a finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something. Be sure to subscribe.